Types of computers. Microcomputers became the most common type of computer in the late 20th century. The term microcomputer was introduced with the advent of systems based on single-chip microprocessors. The best-known early system was the Altair 8800, introduced in 1975. The term microcomputer has practically become an anachronism. Desktop computers, a case put under or on a desk. The display may be optional, depending on use. The case size may vary, depending on the required expansion slots. Very small computers of this kind may be integrated into the monitor. Rack-mount computers, the cases of these computers fit into 19-inch racks and may be space-optimized and very flat. A dedicated display, keyboard, and mouse may not exist, but a KVM switch or built-in remote control via LAN or other means can be used to gain console access. In car computers, carputers built into automobiles, for entertainment, navigation, etc. Game consoles, fixed computers built specifically for entertainment purposes. Laptops and notebook computers, portable and all in one case. Tablet computer, like laptops, but with a touch screen, entirely replacing the physical keyboard. Smartphones, smartbooks, PDAs, and palm-top computers, small handheld computers with limited hardware. Internal storage programmable calculator like small handhelds, but specialized in mathematical work. Handheld game consoles, the same as game consoles, but small and portable. Minicomputers, colloquially, minis, are a class of multi-user computers that lie in the middle range of the computing spectrum, in between the smallest mainframe computers and the largest single-user systems, microcomputers or personal computers. Mainframe computers. The term mainframe computer was created to distinguish the traditional, large, institutional computer intended to service multiple users from the smaller, single-user machines. These computers are capable of handling and processing very large amounts of data quickly. Mainframe computers are used in large institutions such as government, banks and large corporations. They are measured in MIPS, million instructions per second, and can respond to hundreds of millions of users at a time. A supercomputer is focused on performing tasks involving intense numerical calculations such as weather forecasting, fluid dynamics, nuclear simulations, theoretical astrophysics, and complex scientific computations. A supercomputer is a computer that is at the front line of current processing capacity, particularly speed of calculation. Server usually refers to a computer that is dedicated to providing one or more services. For example, a computer dedicated to a database may be called a database server. File servers manage a large collection of computer files. Web servers process web pages and web applications. Many smaller servers are actually personal computers that have been dedicated to provide services for other computers. A server is expected to be reliable, e.g. error correction of RAM, redundant cooling, self-monitoring, RAID, fit for running for several years, and giving useful diagnosis in case of an error. For even increased security, the server may be mirrored terminal servers. These provide GUI sessions that can be used by client PCs that work some way like a remote control. Only the screen and audio output is shown on the client. The GUI applications run on the server. Data, like in files, would be stored in the same LAN, thus avoiding problems should a client PC be damaged or stolen. Virtual machines. A server may run several virtual machines (VMs) for different activities, supplying the same environment to each VM as if it ran on dedicated hardware. Different operating systems (OS) can therefore be run at the same time. This technology approach needs special hardware support to be useful and was first the domain of mainframes and other large computers. Workstations are computers that are intended to serve one user and may contain special hardware enhancements not found on a personal computer. By the mid-1990s, personal computers reached the processing capabilities of mini-computers and workstations. Also, with the release of multitasking systems such as OS/2, Windows NT and Linux, the operating systems of personal computers could do the job of this class of machines. Information appliances are computers specially designed to perform a specific user-friendly function, such as playing music, photography, or editing text. The term is most commonly applied to mobile devices, though there are also portable and desktop devices of this class. Embedded computers are computers that are a part of a machine or device. Embedded computers generally execute a program that is stored in non-volatile memory and is only intended to operate a specific machine or device. Embedded computers are very common. Please subscribe, share, like video, comment and click bell icon for upcoming videos.